Hey everybody, welcome back to Mission Slim Possible. I just wanted to make this video to update y'all on how I've been doing on my pre-op diet. I started Monday, this past Monday, all liquids. First day was pretty rough, not gonna lie. Had quite a few hunger pains periodically throughout the day. Pushed through, did not cheat, most importantly, and I made it through. Today is day 3, and I am down 5 pounds. That's pretty exciting. So anyways, yeah, that's why I haven't uploaded daily like I thought I was going to, because I'm just drinking broth and protein shakes every day, all day, and that's about it. My household chores and drinking broths. It's been kind of boring, so I didn't want to bore y'all, but I did want to give a midweek update just to let y'all know I am surviving, and it's only got a few more days and I'll be done, and I'll be headed to go get my surgery, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm really excited. I can't wait. Anyways, I wanted to though tell y'all this awesome iced coffee protein drink that a lot of people have done. I've kind of tweaked it my own way, and it is amazing, like amazing. It is 8 ounces of the Starbucks medium roast cold brew coffee, and it's mixed with 1 whole container of Premier Protein vanilla protein shake, just a little bit of caramel flavored protein shake from Premier Protein. It is amazing. Like, if you love iced coffee and you want to get protein in, you know, so I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, so this is day 1 of the liquid diet, 7-day liquid diet for me. As you can see, it's breakfast. I need my coffee. That's why you will not see my face right now, because I'm telling you, it's not cute. So, I'm just going to make my breakfast. And just a cup of coffee. Now, pour it over my ice and the protein. So that took up a lot of room in my cup. It's all a learning experience. Oh, it all fit. Cool. That in there. Try to give it a stir, and let's give it a taste. That's good. Okay, that's my breakfast.
Time for the first snack of the day, and I guess I'm gonna try I don't know which one this is. Probably the strawberry banana. We'll try that. And clear protein drink. So that is our snack. I tried this, and honest opinion, I don't know if I can drink these. They are super sweet. Very sweet, and it just leaves a weird aftertaste in my mouth. Like, I had to put it in a cup with a straw and like chug it through the straw, and then chase it with a bunch of water just to get it down. So yeah, not sure if I'm gonna be drinking very many of these.